What's up, everybody? We are riding right now to go to some new trails. We're meeting up with Brett, who also has a 450 RL. He's got some trails over by his area. It's like a 50-minute ride. I'm pretty pumped to check out these new trails, so we're gonna see what we're getting into. But yeah, man, the KLX is still going along good. I mean, she needs a wash, but that's about it. Also, I got some new grips. I've had new grips for like a month. I've just been super lazy about it. I already started to cut this grip off, and so I think maybe I'll do that today too. When we get back, give her a good wash and put the grips on. Rolling out, let's get it. I've never really been over this way. This is like a whole nother city, so we're gonna see what we find today. Well, here we go. Found some trails. Oh shit. What is this? Is that BMX track?
Yeah. It's kind of tight, but you might be able to go for it.
Got a little BMX track here. This is kind of cool if I had like a pit bike. Woohoo! Oh! Yeah, this would be super fun on a pit bike. Or just a regular bike, honestly. I might be hitting it backwards. I'm gonna hit another lap or two. Well, it looks like we lost Tyler, but I'm gonna hit a little wheelie practice in this lot in the meantime. Looks like a perfect lot for it. Yeah, doggy. Oh my god, dude. Holy shit. Bro. Oh my god. Yo. I kind of want to. What? Did you saw this? I mean, I think it'd be easy. I know. I'm just checking this to make sure it's like... Dude, what?
Holy shit, look at that one.
Oh my god, there's a bunch of them. Dude, this is sick. Bruh. Should we hit it?
That one looks like a safer first one to try.
Alright. Dude, this is crazy. I mean, they're definitely made for a bike probably, right? But... They seem pretty sturdy. Dude, I can't believe this. Nah, not yet. Dude, that's wild. Oh shit, that's wild. I kind of want to hit it though. Oh, there's a bunch of jumps. Dude, they're all over. This is a freaking secret gym for mountain bikes. Freaking hidden gym. Dude! Hell yeah! I'm hitting it! Alright, let's warm up with this one. Over jumped it a little bit. But there's some nice jumps. I'm sure on GoPro it doesn't look like anything crazy, but pretty solid jumps. Try not to break anything. I know it looks like someone's put a lot of work into this, so definitely trying not to break anything. Just one more time. It's a fun little jump. Tyler hit it once and then he never came back. See if we can find him here. Seems like there's a ton of jumps though out here, so pretty sweet. Whoa.
I died over there. I found a jump that you have to hit. I rolled over, I just went to the front to just see how steep that motherfucker was down.
Where is it?
Come over here, I'll show you.
Is there? Oh, yo, what? What's that tarp?
Oh, shit, dog.
What's that tarp? They got a jump tarp. That's big.
Be careful over there.
All right.
I'm serious.
Dude. I don't even think we've seen the... Oh, shoot. It's like you drop in from right here, hit this jump, and then hit the step up. I'm not trying to tear up anything. Yo, that would be a fun step up. I'm not trying to tear anything up because it looks like someone's put some work into this. Holy cow, dude. Whoa! Oh my god!
I thought I almost went over that shit.
Dude!
I would have hurt myself badly. Wait, what the?
Yo! Or you can come in from this side and like drop in. Oh no, are you supposed to come from up there and hit it? And this is the lane.
You send it this way.
Yeah, I think you go this way.
I was coming like 10 miles an hour. I was like, oh, wait. That's steep as fuck. And then I was like, oh, shit.
This is insane.
I bottomed out my bike, rolling one of the jumps over there. And it was up a big ass hill. Shit, I might as well leave my helmet on.
A fucking mountain bike?
Yeah, you got. I mean, it's sending you up so high. It's like, I don't know. Woo.
You notice that?
Yeah.
No, and you're standing on top of like 100-some sandbags.
Yeah, I know. What do you think? Hit it? Whew. Oh, they got it all. I'm surprised we haven't ran into anyone.
Yeah, usually I thought it was a walking trail because I came back here one time, but I went to the left instead of right. And I ran into like 4 people and they were looking at me crazy, so I just got off.
I haven't seen any signs yet. I saw one no trespassing sign, but I didn't see it.
Yeah,
It was kind of... Nolan, you gonna hit that?
What is it? Just a little step up? There's so much shit we probably haven't even found yet. I would hit the other step up right here that turns in. Don't tempt me.
There's no way people would jump this on mountain bike.
This bike's so heavy, I don't know about that.